Hello everyone. This session we discuss about derivative formula. In fact, not only one formula, but a lot of basic formulas. Why I make this session? Because I realize as we discuss more about a derivative equation and function, definitely you need more familiar with the base is those kind of formula. Sometimes we easy to forget that, but when you forget that, it will be not bring any benefit. You sometimes cannot solve the equation because just you forget. Okay, now I will lead you go through the 8 basic formula. Each one of you I will give you an example, so may increasing my understanding of these formulas. Okay, let's see first one. C prime equals to 1. What's that mean? C is a constant, so any constant, the derivative is 0. So you can give example as 5. Let's make it smaller. Okay, 5 derivative is 0. Then 100 derivative is 0. Why we understand? How do we understand this? You think about what's the meaning of delivery. Delivery is like a change of what? Change of the speed over change of the right. So since constant, they never change. So of course there's no any kind of accelerator, right? Derivative. So for x is a kind of function, but it's only in the what? Only in the exponential is 1. So it's 0 is 1 if x is 1. If 2x, so of course it's 2, right? So why? You think about the still go to our formula. Formula of derivative is x plus theta x, right? Minus x divided by what? Theta x, right? This is a limitation, right? So think about this, we'll divide it, so only delta x divided by, of course, equals to 1. Okay. Next one, x to the nth power equals to move the n the power to the in front to become a coefficient, and then the exponential will minus 1. So give an example, if x to the 5th power prime so equals to 5, right? Move in front, and x 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the derivative. Okay, then next one we call summation. What's this summation mean? If this summation together and the derivative the same as the derivative each other, give an example, x plus x squared prime. So we can derivative x prime plus x squared prime. So this equals to x prime is what equals to 1, right? X squared is what? X exponential, right? Here, so 2x1, right? So 2x, right? So how about the production and the derivative? But here is a constant times the function. So equals to what? Move out the constant. Move out the constant, and then do what? And do the derivative of the function. So just to give example, if constant is 3 and the what? And the function x to the 3rd power, then with derivative we can make this 3 come out. We just do x to the 3 derivative. Okay, so this is what? 3 times exponential is put 3 come out, and times what? X what? 3 minus 1, right? So 2. So equals to 9x squared. Easy, right? Okay, so we already go to the almost half. And now we go to another one. It's a little difficult now. Now is for co-production of the both function. Both function. Just give example. And the both function and the derivative is the derivative of the first item, and then the second item function will be just original form, and plus the second term will do derivative, and the first will be the what? Original form. So let's see. If the u equals to x, v equals to x plus 1. So this will be uv will be what? uv will be x plus 1, right? They're prime. So now what's there will be result is the u prime x prime then times x plus 1, then plus what? Copy x, right? U and the v prime, right? So what will be looks like x prime is equal to what? X prime equal to 1, and copy x plus 1 plus x plus 1 prime equal to x prime is 1. 1 prime is what? 0, right? So it's 1 still x. So the result is 2x plus 1. So you can solve like this way. Okay. How about the division of the function? So the denominator part will be have square, still denominator, but will be for the denominator will change to v, huh? So denominator part v times du. U is original what? Nominator, right? Minus u dv. So still use the same example. U equals to x, v equals to, so this one will be what? X divided by x plus 1. I ask you to do prime. If we don't have this formula, it's very hard, right? It's only speaking is very hard. So how do you do that? So first is what? V square. So x plus 1 square and over what? V, right? So x plus 1, then what? Du, so x prime, minus ux, and then what? X plus 1 prime, right? So equals to what? X plus 1 square over what? X prime is 1, so x plus 1. X plus 1 minus what? X plus 1 prime is 1, so it's x, right? So the result is what? X plus 1 over, right? So you get this one, right? So this is much easier, right? This is very, very important. We frequently will face these kind of things. Okay, frequently we'll face these kind of things. Okay, I think this is formula we also will be very helpful for we to solve the equation. I mean the derivative equation. Okay. Then this one, let me see. This is number 8. Okay, totally we have 9. So this one is what? This one, u is a function itself, u to the nth power prime. N is just a normal number. N is not a function anymore, okay? M. So it's equal to m times u to the m minus 1 power, and then du divided by dx. So that's just to make example. So, okay, let's make this one. U equals to x squared plus 1. So let's write in here, okay? So x squared plus 1 if m equal to 6 power, then do prime, so equals to m, right? 6 times x squared plus 1, then what? 6 plus minus 1 is 5, and then I have to do du divided by dx, so which means x squared plus 1 need to be derivative. This is equals to x squared is equals to 2x. right? So this is the final derivative. Yeah. How about this one? This one we can, of course, you just see the formula. You can see this definitely they can cancel. Definitely is right? But you can treat it as a what? Treat it as you can change the derivative of what? Of denominator, right? So just give example. Uh, give an example of what? If u equals to what? X cube, x cube, uh, minus 9. Okay, just like this one. Okay, and then we make v as x cube. Okay, right? So then u prime become writing as du. Du is what? Du is what? Du is what? U is already du. Du, which means okay. Wait. Du is d what? dv minus 9, right? Right? And this derivative is the derivative of v, okay? And times what? dv. V is what? V is x cubed, right? And then derivative based on x, so it's like this way, right? So what's this will be like? First it will be what? V minus 9 derivative, so it's what? So it's what? So it's 1, right? And then this one is what? This one is x to the cube is 3, and then x to the second power, right? So it's 3x squared. Am I right? Okay, so today I just use very simple example to illustrate this totally 9 formula of a derivative. Please do some exercise at your end, and these are very useful derivative formulas. Okay, thank you very much to join this session. Bye bye.